Welcome back to the channel. If you have been struggling to start your 3D modeling journey, today we are going to learn how to create a box in Fusion 360 using two different professional methods. Whether you are a total beginner or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will save you time and help you master the basics. If this tutorial helps you feel more confident with your designs, please hit that like button and subscribe for more CAD tips. Let us dive right in. The most common way to build parts in Fusion 360 starts with a 2D sketch. First, click on the Create Sketch button in the top toolbar. You will be prompted to select a plane, so go ahead and pick the top, front, or side plane, depending on your orientation preference. Now, navigate to the Sketch tools and select the 2-point rectangle. Click once to drop your first corner, drag your mouse out, and click again to place the opposite corner. Pro tip here, you can type in your specific dimensions while the box is still active to ensure precision. Once you are happy with the size, click Finish Sketch. Now that you have your profile, press the letter E on your keyboard for the Extrude command. Simply select the rectangular profile you just created, enter the desired height in the dialog box, and click OK. Just like that, you have a solid 3D box. If you're looking for speed, however, you can use the Box tool directly. Go to the Create menu at the top and select Box. Similar to sketching, you select your plane, click to set the first corner, drag to define your length and width, and then define your height, all in one single command. Click OK, and there's your box. This is much faster for simple rectangular primitives. Remember, if you're working on complex projects, always keep your timeline organized. If this video helped you get started with Fusion 360, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and happy modeling.